Hi all, I will walk you over SAP Assignment 3. So please download your Titanic file from here and save it in your Word document. In SAP Assignment 3, we will be performing association analysis using data visualization and data mining techniques. We will discover hidden trends in datasets. We will use predictive analytics to anticipate future behavior to help make decisions that lead to desired goals. The activities involved are importing and preparing data, performing data cleansing and harmonization, creating data visualization, applying data mining algorithm, configure predictive models, analyze and interpret output from models, and publish results. So we will use the Excel data file about survivorship of the sinking of the Titanic. We will create an association analysis to see if a passenger's chance of survival was random or if there were other factors involved. So we will be using SAP Expert Analytics, and the R language can be integrated from that. And we plan to use this model as we would like to discover the association among certain items. The associations are presented as rules with values for support, confidence, and lift for each rule. Okay. Briefly, support is the count and the number of transactions in the data that include a specific antecedent and consequent. Okay. Confidence is a measure of a rule that can be viewed as the conditional probability of the consequent item set occurring given that the antecedent item set occurs. High confidence value suggests a rule in which the consequent is frequently true when the antecedent is also true. And lift ratios are computed for a rule by accounting for the frequency of the consequent. Okay. Now, we will start SAP Predictive Analytics, and from there we will go to Expert Analytics. We will click on Expert Analytics. Okay, it has come up finally. So let's go to new document, go to Microsoft Excel, then go to next, add files. Okay, it will take me automatically. So I'll go to Titanic and then show record. You will see 5 columns, 2201 rows, and then I create the data set. So go to the Predict tab. Actually, no, sorry. Let's see. Yes, I'm fine. So in the designer mode, I'll go to algorithm, and from here I will use R, a priori algorithm. If you don't have it, then you have to install it or use lab. Okay, so I double click on that, and then in the cogwheel, if I click on that, actually I think I have to double click here. No, I can go to configure settings from here, that's fine. And then rules, table format, and I have to select class, sex, age and survived. Support is 0.01. Okay, confidence is 0.8 is fine, and then I say done. Okay, and then I will click run. I say okay, and this is your first screenshot. So also see that you can you can extend this row so that you can see all the results. Okay, take a screenshot, and this is your number 1 screenshot. Then go to summary, and then you can see how many rules were created and all other information. So question number 1 is how many rules were generated in the set. You can see the set of 66 rules. So that is your answer, and also support it with your Word document. Now click the association chart, and this is the cloud, tag cloud chart, and take a screenshot and paste it in your Word document. Next, what happens is we will rerun the same algorithm with survived as yes or no. Okay. In order to do that, we will go back to designer mode, and then we will click the cogwheel here. Then we'll go to configure settings, and here I will go to advanced, and in the RHS items here I will say survived equal to yes and comma survived equal to no. Make sure there is no space here. In the default I will type in left hand side items. Okay, and then sort, I'll make it descending, and then I just said done. Everything else is fine, and I will run the analysis again. Okay, so now extend this some more. Now look at here. So you can see that in the right hand side I can have that survived no or survived yes written down, and the number of rules also declined dramatically. This is your screenshot 3. Take a screenshot and paste it in your Word document. Okay, so from the results above you have to answer these questions. Basically you have to say what rule provides the best model for survival. So I will look for the confidence, which is the maximum, which will show me the strength of the rule, and then the lift is 3.0110, which is also pretty high. So I can say that class second age child has the maximum chance of survival. So how did I make that determination? Once again, I look at the confidence level, and also I look at the lift. Okay, and that would give me this basically 3 things will give me the determination, will help me determine. Okay, how many rules are included in the set? You can see that there are actually 9 rules in this set. Okay, then I have to click on the association chart, and take a screenshot of this chart and paste it in the Word document. That would be your screenshot 5. Okay, so let's next go to the visualize chart and tab, and then what we would like to do is we would like to select component, okay, and from our a priori, and we want to add confidence, support and lift to the measures. So I go to confidence, I create a measure, lift, I create a measure, and support, I create a measure. Now from here I will change the aggregation to none for all of them. Okay, then what I will do is I will create a bubble chart. Okay, so bubble chart will be in scatter plots. So I'll create a bubble chart. In the x-axis I will bring in support. In the y-axis I will bring in confidence, and then bubble width will be lift, and under dimension I'll bring in rules in legend color. Okay, so this is your screenshot number 6. Save it in your, take a screenshot and save it in your, paste it in your Word document. Okay, so you will see that the large bubbles indicate the lift for that rule. Okay, so the large bubble 3.1 will indicate the lift for that rule. Lift basically indicates the strength of a rule over the random co-occurrence of the independent and the dependent variables given their individual support. So the next question, question number 5 is, what is meant by support, confidence and lift? Okay, so support is the number of transactions in the data that include a specific antecedent and consequent item set. Okay, and confidence is a measure of a rule that can be viewed as the conditional probability of the consequent item set occurring given that the antecedent item set occurs. High confidence value suggests that in a rule in which the consequent is frequently true when the antecedent is also true. And lift are the ratios computed for a rule by accounting for the frequency of the consequent. Next, what you will do is we will export the results of your association analysis to a CSV file. To do this, click the Predict tab, change to designer mode. It's already in the designer mode. Expand the data writer options on the right. Okay, double click the CSV writer. Okay, click on the cog wheel, choose configure settings. On the properties tab, okay, click and browse to the folder where you would like to save it. So I'll go here, and file name, you put in your last name and underscore Titanic, and then save as type should be .csv. Okay, so save as type is .csv. That's fine. I'll just click save, and then I will click run. Done, sorry. After that, I'll run it. Let's see what is happening here. I come here, configure settings. I went to that. Okay, column separator. Okay, we will stop at screenshot number 6. Okay, the CVS writer is giving some trouble, so we will stop at screenshot number 6. Thank you.